According to Chinese news website Sina, Russia's S-400 air defense missile system is considered a serious threat to the US Air Force. The complex is equipped with 4 types of missiles with different ranges. This is also one of the rare Russian systems capable of withstanding the attack of the EA-18G Growler electronic warfare aircraft. This has been demonstrated on the Syrian battlefield, where the EA-18G's electronic warfare campaigns proved ineffective against the S-400. That means, within the effective range of the S-400, the US non-stealth military aircraft will have to stay away from the Russian air defense complex. This is a factor that further complicates the battlefield situation, as Russian planes and helicopters can also provide fire support to their ground forces. In addition, the S-400 does not conduct independent combat operations. Its data can be linked to early warning aircraft, early warning satellites, as well as its predecessor S-300 air defense system, and then directing them to the battlefield. These elements form a huge air defense network, making it difficult for US military aircraft to survive in the propeller-shaped air defense identification zone. However, is the US military really helpless in that situation? Things are not that simple. According to Sina, if the F-35 can withstand the significant damage caused by the air defense system, it is completely capable of destroying the S-400. Therefore, this news site believes that the US military needs to deploy a number of F-35 fighters, perhaps 10, carrying electronic warfare devices and JDAM or SDB smart bombs, then rely on stealth capabilities of the fighter aircraft to reach the positions of the S-400 and destroy the air defense forces. It should be noted that, according to Sina, this operation needs to deploy a lot of EA-18G electronic warfare aircraft to shield and jam the signal range of Pantsir S-1 air defense system, because this is the biggest threat that F-35 faced when approaching the S-400. Next, swarms of unmanned aerial vehicles will begin to eliminate any other air defense systems currently stationed on the ground. Sina said that in this battle, both sides will suffer heavy losses. The US F-35 EA-18G and unmanned aerial vehicles will be destroyed, but most likely the S-400 air defense missile system of Russia will be wiped off the face of the earth. Thank you everyone for watching this video.